Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how to convert a file on OBS from FLV file to MP4. So I have here an FLV file and I want to convert it to MP4. So next, open the application OBS, then click File, then select Remux Recordings. Click the three dots to locate your file. So this folder, and select all or Control A and then click Open. Then click Remux. So recording Remux, okay. So close. Then locate your file. So this folder. So this is now the MP4 file of my FLV file. So properties, okay, MP4, and this is the FLV file. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.